YouTubers usually don't tell you the truth when it comes down to starting a channel. You want to start a channel, and most of your favorite YouTubers tell you to fall in love or do something that you absolutely love that you would do for free. That's BS, in my opinion, because it's all about the money. Everything is about the money. You're working a job, you are working probably because of money. Answer this in the comments right now. Can money solve 99% of the problems you have? With me, put your kid in better school, better car, more freedom, more vacation, focus on your health a little bit more when it comes down to money. So when you talk about YouTube content creation, now I have multiple channels. I have a few that's monetized. I'm going to give you guys the numbers, such as how much you make a channel and how you should move about it when you want to start a YouTube channel, right? I'm Lando Sess. Hope all is well. So the first thing first, when you start a channel, you should be focused on how much money you can potentially make once you get monetized. So on my channel currently, this is a finance-based primarily channel. YouTube pay you every 1,000 views. Now I'm at the airport, you guys gonna hear some planes and all that type of good stuff, but we gonna see it through. So YouTube pay you per 1,000 views. Every 1,000 views you get, they like, look, advertisers are willing to pay X amount of money for Orlando or John Doe or your channel. My average is about $8 to, let's say, $20. We're just gonna round it down and say I make $10 per 1,000 views. I have some videos that's $6 and I have some that's $80. If you look at the highest one is like how to start an LLC in Michigan. That's like $80 per 1,000 views. Freaking crazy. And a regular one that talks about crypto or stocks gonna make 8 to 12. Like that. Now, when you manage that and understand it, you're like, okay, cool. When you start a different type of channel in a different niche, for example, I have a sports channel. I'm thinking on sports, people love it, advertisers love it, good views, good pay. On my sports channel, I make probably from $2 to $8. We're gonna round it in and say $5. So for me to make the same amount of money on this channel, I have to do double the views over there. Stay with me, stay with me. My son channel, kid channel, you know, kids do paint and Play-Doh and playing. I'm assuming, because that's not monetized yet, I'm assuming it's going to make $1 to $2 per 1,000 views because kids is not watching ads and buying stuff. Probably can be lower than that. I don't know. If you have a kids channel or if you have a channel that's monetized, let us know in the comments what type of channel you have and how much you make per 1,000 views, because this information can help out people when it come down to starting a channel. So first thing, you want to decide what type of niche you want that's going to make you money. If not, you have a passion about something, because YouTube is all about personality and information. Personality, if the people gonna like you, and what information are you providing for people. Let's say you are a Spanish teacher and you're teaching people English to Spanish. That niche probably only make $2 per 1,000 views. We don't know, but let's say it make only $2, but that's your passion, that's your knowledge, that's what you're good at. So what you have to do is, the second and the most powerful way is affiliate deals, affiliate marketing, affiliate links. What that mean is, when you're teaching Spanish, you have Duolingo apps and you have all of these different type of apps. You can just go on their website and they're like, look, if you get some people to sign up for this, we'll give you 10% commission if this app costs $20, $500, whatever it is. When I first started YouTube, I didn't care about the links in my description because I never personally bought anything I never watched a video and went to a link in the description to buy something. Never did. I didn't know people did it until I started putting links in there and people started buying. Right now, I probably make over $1. It's over $1 a month from 10 different companies of affiliate deals. Since I talk finance, hey, you guys want to go buy stocks, go buy something with Moomoo. Get paid from Moomoo every single month. Hey, you guys want crypto, crypto.com. Hey, you guys want Albert.com. You know, I have so many different type of links, and you start getting paid, because what happened is some videos that you have no idea that will blow up. I will do a video at my house, in my studio, perfect background, perfect lighting, editing, everything, music in the back, a whole vibe, and that boy would get 66 views, and I'd be livid. Or I would do a video in my car just talking to you and it get 100,000. Nobody understand this human algorithm with YouTube. And since we're talking about it, make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you are still here right now. You want to focus heavy on those affiliates. Sponsors, that's going to come as your channel build and you can team up and people pay you to do videos. But you want to focus mainly on that affiliate money, because you don't have to have your 1,000 subscribers to start making money immediately. You can do one video, one TikTok, one short that's valuable, informative, and people want to go click in that link, and you can get paid by Amazon or whoever it is immediately. So that's my focus for today. Let you guys know, when you start your channel, think about the money. Think about the money, because what happens is your focus in life is going to change probably every 5 years. If you start a channel about traveling around the world, you're a flight attendant, you travel around the world right now, that is your content. And in 5 years, if you have a kid and you become a mom, your life is going to change. So your content is going to change to you being a mom, how you breastfeeding, how you dealing with an infant, how you dealing with toddlers. All your content is going to change. Then you're going to become a wife, and you're going to be focused on cooking for your husband, whatever it is. All right, let me do cooking content. That's what I'm saying. Everybody's stuff changed. My channel changed about 3-4 different times, and you get different channels. So you want to get started. Focus on the money. So just think of content that might pay a lot. You can look at beauty, makeup, finance, cars. Look at different YouTubes creators, because a lot of them are transparent and tell you how much they make. So figure out which ones make a lot of money. Figure out what type of companies that you can already sign up and get an affiliate link that you can have in your bio immediately, and go from there. You're going to change your content 50 different times, because we're humans and we're going to change our thoughts. Anyway, I want to keep it 100 with y'all. No need to lie. Do something you love and do something, man. That's cute. We work at our job. Most of us don't care about our job. We don't love it. We do it for money. So YouTube, you can do it for money, and you get to the point where you learn the algorithm, you get better, and you're like, okay, I know I love this. I can talk about this, and I'm not worried about the money because this channel is bringing in X amount of bread. Now I can go do something I love. It's your boy Lando Success. Got some game for you. Talk to y'all soon.